Welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new updates. Women don't get enough rest during pregnancy for various reasons. These may include frequent trips for the bathroom at nighttime, difficulty obtaining a comfortable position, especially in the third trimester, leg cramps and general anxiety. How to sleep while pregnant. There are, however, several things you're able to do to get more sleep despite these challenges. The following tips and tricks should create a real difference inside the volume of sleep you obtain as well as in your quality of sleep. 1. Get a total body pillow. A must-have for pregnant women, especially through the third trimester, the total body pillow provides amazing, total body support. The unique design follows the bodyline to guide and realign neck, belly, back and hips. 2. Start a bedtime routine. We usually recommend a bedtime routine for babies, but a bedtime routine is definitely beneficial for adults too, given it helps us wind down and signals to brain it's time to become drowsy and go to sleep. Your bedtime routine range from a warm bath, a massage should your partner would prefer, and listening to soft music. 3. Make sure your bedroom is comfortable. It ought to be dark and quiet. Room temperature needs to be cool although not cold. If your bedroom is noisy and the noise is outside your control, including street noise, you might want to make use of background sound such as quiet music or perhaps a white noise. 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise appears to help with regulating sleep, but avoid exercising too all around bedtime. 5. Getting a good amount of sunshine also seems to help with regulating sleep. 6. Avoid eating much meal prior to bedtime, however, you also need to avoid bedtime hungrily. Try to eat a small meal about 2 hours before bedtime. 7. Keeping an everyday sleep pattern, sleeping concurrently each night and achieving up as well every morning, will most likely assist to regulate your sleep. 8. Don't force it. If 30 minutes when you went to bed you're still awake, or should you get up in the middle of the evening and cannot get back to sleep, don't stay in bed, being restless. Instead, get out of bed, enter a candle-lit room and take action quiet such as reading a manuscript or playing quiet music. When you become drowsy, turn back into bed. Even if your disrupted sleep patterns continue, never worry about it too much, particularly if you can get no less than 6 hours of sleep per night. Our bodies have a means of ensuring that we have enough sleep, in the long run, so soon after tough nights, you will probably use a night of great sleep. However, should you consistently get under 6 hours of sleep per night, do consult your physician over it. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.